Hi, welcome to Gasim Driving School YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about motorway and how to plan ahead when it's raining. It's very important to plan ahead when you're driving on motorway because the speed is very high and give yourself plenty of time. So to plan ahead, it's very important to look further down the road and decide to change lane or overtake in good time. Also, it's very important to use your mirrors, so make sure to check your mirrors constantly. To overtake the vehicle in front of you, check your mirrors and signal in good time and make sure to move to the right lane in plenty of time. In this example, we're going to check our mirrors, we're going to signal early, and we're going to move to the right lane to overtake the vehicle in front of us. It's very important to move to the left lane after you overtake because the right lane is overtaking lane. In this example, we're going to check our mirrors and signal right and move to the right lane in good time. To exit the motorway, it's very important to move to the left lane early and stay in the left lane until you exit and signal in plenty of time. Now we're exiting the motorway, so we're going to stay in the left lane, we're going to signal early and we're going to maintain our speed.